Hey everyone, Michelle McCarthy here from Homeschooling in the Pines. Welcome back to my channel. Today is our April gift unboxing for a Secret Channel swap. The Secret Channel swap was a collaboration that was started by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, and she organized it with YouTube collaborators, and where we have a whole year where we are sending gifts to a Secret Channel and we are receiving gifts from a Secret Channel. So this has been really fun. Make sure you check the playlist below so you can see what everyone is getting for their monthly gift. I'm so excited to get it open. So this month, sometimes during the month we have ideas of things we should give our channel that we're gifting to, and this month the idea that they gave us is to give an apron. So I send, so we all try to send an apron to our Secret Channel, okay, just a way of blessing them. And every month is different. Some month we just send whatever comes from our heart, or sometimes it's just specific things, okay. So make sure you watch that playlist below and you can see what everyone got. Okay, so I'm so excited to get open my gift for the month of April. This has been a really fun collaboration, and it is a close collaboration. So if you are a YouTube channel and you would like to participate in this, make sure I'm going to send you a link for the YouTube collaborators group, and you will be able to participate next year, okay, because this is already closed, because we already picked who we're going to be for this year, okay. We'll put a link below to our YouTube collaborators page if you're interested in joining us, okay? So I'm excited. So let's see what's in here. So I see a little card. I like to get the cards first. Oh, how cute is this? Look at this. It says, miles apart but close at heart. It says, enjoy your awesome apron because you're awesome. Your secret sister. Very cute. Very, very cute. So, oh, how cute. Look at this. This is something. Let me open this a little bit here so it's easy to breaking the back, of course. It says mom cooking up love. Oh, this is really cute. Look at that. Totally my style. Very, very fun. Thank you so much, Secret Channel. I love cooking, and I never wear aprons, and I always get dirty because I don't wear the aprons that I have. So I'm gonna use this apron, and for my next cooking video, I'll be using this very cute apron that you got me. So thank you so much. This is adorable. I totally love it. Okay, thank you so much. Again, make sure you check that playlist below so you can see everyone's video. It is so fun to watch the person that you send the gift to, and you want to comment, oh, I'm so glad you like what I sent, so you have to make kind of a neutral comment to them, and it's so fun to see them open those gifts, because they're such a blessing. And little things like this that we're getting every month is a blessing for for me too. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching, and my name is Michelle McCarthy from Homeschooling in the Pines, and I will see you all soon. Bye.